Hi, welcome back to another video. My name is Jorgeevdejesus. I am Mr. Katy, Texas Real Estate. And in this video, I want to give you all the information you need to consider a move to the brand new community in Sunterra, deep in the heart of Katy, Texas. Sunterra is a community that I like to call a hidden paradise in progress. The community is fairly new. Much of the amenities and the homes are not yet built. However, there is still tremendous progress every single month going on. So there are plenty of homes to choose from, plenty of sections to choose from, plenty of products to choose from. And I think it's going to be a great investment in the long run. So although most of the amenities are not yet built, what is expected is a couple of acres large crystal lagoon for the community, a few lazy rivers to go around the community, and each section, of course, because it is a master plan community, is going to have its own parks, pools, recreation areas, all its own amenities, so you don't have to leave your section to enjoy. However, you can enjoy the entirety of the community. Developers are telling me that by the end of 2024, beginning of 2025, you should see a completed amenities package. If you are considering a move to Katy, Texas, specifically to Sunterra, then you must know about Katy, Texas schools. Katy ISD is consistently one of the top districts in the state, if not the nation, and these are going to be the schools that you're going to be zoned to for now in the Sunterra community. Now, this is Katy ISD assignment. There are parts of Sunterra that are zoned to Waller County, so that puts you in a different district. That's why it's always important to ask these questions or bring an agent with you that knows all the right questions to get you the right information. Outside of public schools and great Katy ISD schools, you also have a long list of both charter and private schools to choose from that are very, very close to the community. Now let's talk about numbers, right? So that's the important part. It's a great community. The homes are fantastic. You can choose from a lot of different things. The future looks great, but what are the numbers? So HOAs, your homeowners association fees, can range anywhere from $800 to $1,400 a year, and of course that varies by section and age of the home. These HOA fees are there to help pay for the maintenance of common areas, the upcoming projects and the amenities, things of that nature. Just like with any new construction plan, tax rates are over 3%. There are 3.5%. They could be lower depending on the section, but the average for the community is a 3.5% tax rate. Some of the builders in Sunterra are Anglia Homes, Adams Homes, Ashton Woods, Brightland Homes, Beezer, Castle Rock, Centex, Chesmar, D.R. Horton, Perry, Highland Homes, the list goes on and on and on. You have different ranges of products, so all these builders build something different. So when it comes to the prices, each builder is going to have their own price range, but also different collections. So when you separate the collections, you're talking about different styles of floor plans, and those can be either higher or lower on the price range scale. As of right now, and in the future could be much higher, as of right now, homes are ranging anywhere between $300,000 to about $600,000, with some future sections expected to be in the $800,000 or $900,000 range, but that's for further down the road. So what I like the most about Sunterra is that you're getting ahead of the game in a sense. You are tucked away deep in Katy, Texas, further away from most other communities, and I think that's on purpose, number one, just because they could get that amount of land for a great price to start building these developments. But number two, it helps you as a buyer if you get in now, before the rest of the communities that are going to be built around the area, I think you're putting yourself in a really good financial position as an investment. And at least for now, you get to enjoy all the scenery and the almost rural aspect of the back end, the Waller end of Katy, Texas. If this or any other Katy, Texas community seems like it might be a good match for you, I'm Mr. Katy, Texas Real Estate. Just reach out to me. I'm happy to give you more information, walk you through the process, and help you find the home of your dreams in Katy, Texas.